I speak to physicians every day regarding HSG catheters, and there's two things they're looking for. One is a quality catheter, and the other is a great price. Over the years, MPM Medical Supply has been very successful in transitioning our accounts that were using the Cooper surgical catheter for their sonohistograms and hysterosalpingogram procedures. We found that a large number of our physicians had been using the Cooper surgical catheter for years and over time didn't realize how expensive their catheter had become. These customers noticed an improved flow rate and loved the fact that our catheters were priced much lower. There are also companies out there that are distributing catheters that are made in China or other countries. Our catheters are manufactured in the United States and comply with FDA regulations, so you don't have to worry about issues such as sterilization that can accompany a product from China or other countries. MPM Medical Supply offers two varieties of balloon catheters. The first is our traditional balloon catheter and is our most popular. The second is a catheter that has an integrated stylet, which allows the physician the ability to shape the catheter and is stiffer to help with difficult cases such as restricted or stenotic cervical canals. Both options come in 5 French or 7 French sizes and are designed to seal the uterus during injection of saline or contrast. We also offer 2 additional varieties of HSG catheters that do not have distal balloons. Our HSG procedure trays include all of the items necessary to perform a hysterosalpingogram or sonohysterogram. They include the Welch Allyn speculum and some other products. These trays are available with or without HSG catheters. We know how important it is for our physicians to watch cost as well. The reason we have been successful is that we've been able to provide our customers with high-quality medical products, value-added services, and still provide our products at a substantially lower price than our competition. MPM Medical Supply would love the opportunity to provide you and your facility with our high-quality products at a price you will love. We have a well-designed e-commerce website that allows you to quickly locate products you are looking for. In an effort to make the ordering process convenient, we provide 4 easy ways for our customers to place orders. You can order directly through our e-commerce website, call in your order, email it, or fax it to us. If you have any questions or need assistance, we guarantee our high-quality customer service team will provide answers within minutes.